Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto Skill. Imagine a company without CEOs or middle managers, yet run entirely by code and community vote. Welcome to the world of DAOs. Today, we'll demystify decentralized autonomous organizations, show you how they work, why they're reshaping finance and governance, and how even you can join or build one. Ready to peer into the future of collective decision-making? Let's dive in. Section 1. What is a DAO? A decentralized autonomous organization. DAO is an on-chain entity governed by smart contracts rather than a centralized management team. In a DAO, decentralized governance, every token holder can vote on proposals. Autonomous execution, once a proposal passes, code automatically carries out the decision. On-chain transparency, all proposals, votes, and treasury transactions are publicly visible. Section 2, History and Evolution. 2016. The DAO, the first major DAO on Ethereum, raised over $150 million but suffered a critical smart contract exploit, leading to a controversial hard fork and igniting best practice improvements in security and governance. Post-hack reforms, the Ethereum community implemented rigorous audit protocols, formal verification, and clearer governance frameworks. Modern DAOs. Today, DAOs span investment vehicles, the DAO, grant-making bodies, Moloch DAO, Gitcoin grants, protocol governance, Uniswap DAO, NFT collectives, and more. Section 3. How DAOs work. Proposal submission. Any token holder can submit a proposal whether to allocate funds, upgrade contracts, or change fees, often staking governance tokens to signal commitment. Voting period. Token holders cast votes proportional to their stake. Voting typically happens via intuitive front ends like Snapshot before on-chain execution. Quorum and execution. If the vote meets the DAO's quorum and approval thresholds, smart contracts automatically execute the outcome, dispersing funds or enacting code changes. Treasury management. DAO treasuries are held in multi-sig or smart contract vaults, ensuring that collective approval is required for any spending. Section 4. Real-world use cases. Protocol governance. Uniswap's Uni token holders decide on fee structures, new pool listings, and treasury grants. Venture investing. The DAO pools capital to fund startups, distributing returns to members. Grant funding. Moloch DAO and Gitcoin grants allocate resources to open-source, public good projects based on community-driven proposals. NFT collectives. NFT DAOs co-own high-value artworks or virtual real estate, voting on acquisition and sale strategies. Section 5. Risks and challenges. Smart contract bugs. Vulnerabilities can lead to exploits, as seen in the DAO hack. Governance attacks. Low voter turnout or token accumulation by a few can centralize control. Regulatory uncertainty. DAOs currently operate in gray zones, legal recognition varies by jurisdiction. Coordination costs. Large, global communities may find it hard to reach timely consensus. Section 6. How to join or launch a DAO. Acquire governance tokens. Buy or earn tokens on exchanges or protocol incentives. Engage with the community. Join Discord, forums, and governance portals to stay informed on active proposals. Vote on proposals. Use platforms like Snapshot to cast your vote when governance polls go live. Submit your own proposals. Once familiar, draft proposals, gather feedback, and stake tokens to initiate a vote. Launching a DAO. Leverage frameworks such as Aragon, DAO House, or OpenZeppelin Starter Kit to deploy governance contracts, define tokenomics, and onboard members. Section 7. The future of DAOs. Legal wrappers. Jurisdictional entities. For example, Swiss associations offer DAOs formal legal recognition. Cross-DAO collaboration. Coalitions of DAOs may pool resources for large-scale initiatives, for example, cross-chain bridges. Metaverse governance. Virtual worlds run by land or avatar DAOs define economic and social rules on-chain. AI integration. Autonomous agents could help analyze proposals, optimize treasuries, or even cast votes. DAOs are more than a buzzword, they're a blueprint for truly democratic, transparent organizations. Whether you're exploring an existing DAO or dreaming of launching your own, the power is in your hands and on-chain. Which DAO excites you most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe to the Crypto Skill for more beginner-friendly blockchain deep dives, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.